Hello there, YouTube. I'm finally out for a ride. It finally cooled off to 91 degrees. It's like 10 degrees cooler than it has been for the last 3 weeks. It's been like 101, so 91 it feels like fall. For a ride on the Goldwing. I hate all these people that exit off here. You can't turn because they close this road. I wonder if they opened it. Oh, they did open it. Whoa. Look at there. They finally opened this road. It's been closed for a week. I think these trucks come through and they're too high, so they damage the bridges. These truckers should have to pay for all that. They're not high enough to get on. They just destroy the bridges. I think they need to sue all those people that do that and make them pay for it. It's been closed for a long time. One other exit was closed for a while too, because these trucks keep crashing into these bridges and knock them down. It's still warm, but it's not like 101 anymore. Let's see what the... Oh, so I just got it out of the shop. It says 83, but it's... I watched this 91, so it's 91 degrees. Which feels a lot cooler than 101. We've had a really hot summer. The rain stopped several weeks ago, so we're having a water. I got like 10 zones that I have to water. So I got to keep my grass alive. I mean, it dries up in a day. I do it every other day. Can't do it every day. But I remember I talked about getting a Ravaco. I'm off of that now because it's got a Mitsubishi engine in it, and I had a Mitsubishi Eclipse Turbo, and I had to rebuild the top end of the motor at 50,000 miles because you stop and it's just load up full of oil and blowing smoke. So I will never buy another Mitsubishi motor. Or I bought a Mitsubishi television one time. It lasted less than a year and it died. So never buying anything Mitsubishi ever. So now I'm kind of thinking about a slingshot as my next toy. I gotta wait though. Maybe a couple more years. But I like the Grand Touring. It's got a roof, and I can put a taller windshield on it, so kind of be out of the element. It's got a T-top, and I don't want to be. There's some add-ons you can add: a full windshield and a full back windshield, and you're completely out of the elements. But then you got like a side deflector like this that you can get air in there if you need to. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. My wife likes the idea of the slingshot better than the Ravaco, because the Ravaco, you're out in the elements just like this. At least you're under a roof and you're protected a little bit. I should just see if they're building the new stadium here. I gotta go check it out. Ooh, no, not done yet. It's supposed to be done by the beginning of football season this year, like August. Should be done by August. I don't think. Looks like they're building some stands. There's supposed to be a press box and stands. Or not. Maybe not. Maybe they're building it somewhere else. Yeah, I don't think they're doing it there. Construction job site. Doesn't look like they're building anything there. They're doing something, but I don't think they're going to be done when football season starts. There's no way. Oh yeah, maybe they're building something back there. Yeah, they might. I thought they were building up here too. I don't know what they're building up here, but that's gotta be the football stadium. They're going to use the same field. Yeah, it looks like they're building. Not going to get done by the beginning of football season, that's for sure. Yep, my shield down. I don't know what they're building there. Tennis courts? Let's see what they're doing here. Oh, more parking. It's got to be tennis courts. Those were already there. I guess it's a foot. Well, those tennis courts were already there. I don't know what they're doing. Yep, I gotta turn this thing off. Bye.